guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix error code 262 in your Roblox. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the issue with your Roblox error 262, then I will show you how to fix this issue. Guys, first of all, you just need to open your Chrome browser. Just click on this three dot, click on settings. Click on privacy and security. Click on site setting. In this, you can see here view permission and data stored across site. Just click on this option. Then click on search. Then type here Roblox. Click on Roblox. Before clicking Roblox, you can see here delete. Just click on delete. Just click on clear and close this window. After that, just press Windows plus R key. In this, you need to type % local app data %. And hit enter. Then find here temp folder. In this, you can see a temp folder. Just open this folder. In this, you need to find Roblox folder. After finding the Roblox, just right click on that and click on delete. After deleting, just close this window. Come to your Roblox shortcut icon on the desktop. Right click on that. Click on properties. This you can see here compatibility. Just click on this. In this, you need to check mark this option, run this program as an administrator. Just click on apply, then click OK. After doing these settings, you need to restart your laptop or desktop. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. After restarting, still you are facing the issue, then the last and final method is you just need to uninstall your Roblox and reinstall it. For that, you just need to open your control panel. Just click on start menu, then type your control panel. Click on control panel. Just select here category. Click on uninstall a program. Here you need to find Roblox. You can see Roblox. Just right click on that and click on uninstall. After uninstall, just close this window. Open your Chrome browser. In that, you need to open the Roblox website. From there, you need to download your Roblox game. That's it, guys. So in this way, you can fix Roblox error 262. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.